guys, welcome back to another unboxing of my Miss to Mrs. This will be my second box that y'all are tuning into. So let's go ahead and get started. First things first, look how cute. This little jewelry holder. Now this just came at a perfect time because I thought to myself, I want somewhere to put my ring every night, like just a special place and right next to my bed. So this goes there every single time. I love it so much. All right, then we have a koozie. We got a ring on one side. This side, it says stress blessed and wedding planning obsessed. Ain't that the truth? Speaking of drinks, we have this ice cube that are in the shape of rings. It's just the cute little details for me. Put it in a wine glass, put it in my Mountain Dew, you know, whatever I'm feeling that evening. I love it. Oh yeah. Then we got this cap. It says bride. Love it. It's white, perfect, goes with a lot. Heck, it even goes with this like attire right now. I mean, I could wear this running errands, this whole outfit. This is perfect. Then I got this nightgown. So it says, I'm not bossy, I'm the bride. Facts. I love nightgowns, guys. I don't know why. So I wore them all the time when I was little, and I don't too much anymore, but I tell you what, I'm gonna wear the shit out of this because it is so freaking cute and it's soft and it's just so comfy. I'm just picturing this with like big fuzzy socks right before bed. Oh, such a vibe. And then to carry all this stuff in, I have this bride-to-be bag. Love it, it's perfect. It has this little button at the top so you can make sure that everything's fastened in there. Things aren't gonna fall out. It's perfect. You could never have too many bags, right? So I'll definitely be using this as I run errands through this entire wedding planning process. All right guys, so that is my second unboxing of Miss to Mrs. Loved everything, again, of course. I just think this is such a cute idea because not only is it a pick-me-up during what can be, you know, a stressful, of course, very happy event in your life, it can be just a little bit stressful, you know, planning everything out. So just having this little pick-me-up every month, thank you, Mom, has just been, just brought me pure joy, honestly. So I'm really happy about it. And of course, filming all of this just brings me joy as well. So I wanna thank you guys again for just coming along on my journey during what we're calling the wedding series. And it's just really appreciated, and I'm excited to bring you guys along for the journey. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe before you head out of here because there will be more videos to come. Love you guys so much. Thanks for tuning in. Till next time, see ya.